Well, hello everybody. I'm doing a little fence line weaning, and I want to show you these calves. I got about 35 head of calves here that I'm weaning, and there's some good ones in here, really good ones that will make somebody a really good set of heifers or a bull if you're in need of a bull. I've got a potpourri of registered South Pole bulls that will be available, one of which is already sold. Got some really good 50% South Pole heifers. I've got some 50% South Pole bulls, 3 of which I've already gotten sold. There's about 9 head in here that are already spoken for. But there's some dandies. If you want a little color in your herd, there is a beefy white calf there. He's got a little bit of longhorn in him and the rest South Pole, but he's a chunk now. And then I got a little bit of everything in between, but there's some good calves in here, really good calves. They'll make somebody some good replacements, or if you want to start a herd, these are the ones to do it with. They're grass efficient. If I had some winter pasture, I'd have them on winter pasture right now, but I didn't do that this year. Hopefully going to make a big dent in it next year and get a bunch planted. But there's some good calves in here. I got a black cow over there that's open that I'm going to sell. And she's in here just kind of as a calming effect. But I just wanted to put these calves out there. Anybody that's interested, contact me at southpolecows@gmail.com, and we can visit about it. There's one of the bulls that some of these calves are out of, registered South Pole bull from Bruce Shanks in Missouri, and he's a good one. My crippled bull I put with the cows yesterday, the one that was so lame that I made the video on, he is 100% well, ready to breed, but I didn't want him fighting with this bull and get injured. I want him just with the cows by himself here for a few weeks, test him out, make sure everything's good, and then I'll turn bulls out together with the cows. So anybody interested, I can get you individual pictures. I can visit with you more on the phone. These are some dandies that will make really good replacements. Look at that heifer, big gut. They've got all the right genetics to do you a good job. So anybody that's interested, reach out to me. Beautiful day, 62 degrees here. You can see where I've been putting hay on the other side of the road. That's a place I'm trying to get some grass started on, and so we fed a lot of hay there. And that grass is gonna bounce here come springtime. Got some baby calves across the fence. Cows are hollering a bit, but they'll all settle down in another day. And these calves will be weaned and ready to go. So reach out to me. Love to talk to you. I'd love not to take these calves to the sale barn if possible, and only because I'd prefer they're in somebody's herd and not on somebody's plate. So give me a holler. Love to talk to you. Have a great day, and thanks for riding along with me.